white jacket and the thick accent. Like, maybe it's all in my head, but I bet we'd have really good bed chem. How you pick me up, pull it down, tell me around, now it just makes sense. How you talk so slow.